Hello, this is Cherie for Just Nailed It, and this is a continuation of yesterday's video where I kind of sort of revealed something, but not really. I got the Arkron mount. Woo, it's not able to fit up here on my desk. This is the outer box. I am so very excited. I switched at the last minute, and I figured whoever could figure out what the poll was I was sharing, the exact name, they won a prize. Nails of Interest was the first one to name the Arkron mount. And so she's going to win an envelope with some goodies in it from me. So now I have this box. And I'm really not too sure how to open it. I'm not good at stuff like that. I can destroy a box like it's nobody's business. So I'm struggling here. Oh man. I'm really struggling. Oh, I found it. I found it! Here are my goodies. Trying to move the camera so you can see too. This will be the last Hobble and Bobble. I'm so excited. My mount is here, folks. Woohoo! So hopefully tonight, oh God, I'm tearing up. Please excuse me. I didn't expect this to happen. I'm the one that purchased it. But my videos for 3 years, July would be 3 years, my videos have suffered. From the hobble and the bobble, as I call it. And now they don't have to no more. I can have stable videos. I've upgraded my editing app. I just need my subscribers. I need my watch time. Oh, I'm sorry for crying. I really am. Please excuse me. Oh, I'm just so happy. So happy. I don't even know what to do. But this is everything along with the poll that I showed earlier. I'm not even sure where I put it, but this is everything. This is the whole caboodle. Oh, isn't this great? This is a really great moment. This is a lot of coin here out of my stimulus check and everything that I've been purchasing. I've been buying acrylic like there's nobody's business. I placed 3 orders with the Nail Junkie, 2 with iGel Beauty. For each one is 6 colors. I only have 1 so far. I'm still waiting on the other package. I have bought a caboodle of stuff off Amazon. I have bought 2 orders off AliExpress for $20, $30 a piece, and that's a lot of stuff. You know that. $20, $30, you can get a lot of stuff off AliExpress. A lot. And that's 2 orders. So I've been doing some heavy duty shopping, and which I've had comments made to me by family members. You know, it's a want, it's not a need. I needed this. I really did, for my video's sake, for mine. Makes me feel better, evidently, as we can see. But I'm going to move this out of the way now. I don't know where to put it. Oh boy. We'll close the box. Okay, now that I know how to open it. I thank everybody for watching my videos, for being here, for being supportive. For the friends that I've made around the world. They all take part in this. They have put up with my hobble and bobble. They have put up with me. And that's not easy to do. I'm really sorry for the tears. I really am. Never did I thought this was going to happen. I could see with my flexi finger, but not the Arkron mount. I mean, yes, I wanted it badly, as you can see, you can tell. But I didn't think I was going to shed a tear. But I'm so excited. So that was the final piece to my arsenal. I get everything that I need and want. There's nothing that I lack. And my arm cradle that I use now, I am going to bless someone else with it so that they can start their journey. She doesn't know who she is yet. She won't know until she opens the package, which I will mail tomorrow on Saturday, the 30th of May. And I'm not going to say who she is. I want her to be so surprised. When I started my nail journey, I've had so many people come to my aid and to help me and to donate. And now I want to do that for someone else. So I have packaged up a box for a special lady. Putting all kinds of goodies in so that, you know, things that I know she's lacking and knows that she wants and needs, and, or I hope. And I'm going to mail it along with the cradle, the phone holder that I use now. Hopefully she can set it up better than I did so she doesn't have hobble and bobble. But I want her to start her journey now. It's time. I want to bless someone else's life like I was blessed. Oh, excuse me, I need another Kleenex. Each time I wipe, I think that's going to be the end of them, and they keep coming. But I thank everybody, all 823 of you. I thank you, thank you, thank you from the bottom of my heart. I thank Arkron Mounts for inventing such a product for us nail people. I can't call myself a nail tech. I'm not licensed. I'm just on a nail journey. And I'm still learning every single day. So I'm going to draw this to an end because evidently I can't stop crying. And I'm just going to leave it to all of you. I thank you so much for your support, your hospitality, your love. I just thank you from the bottom of my heart. But stay tuned because we're starting a new chapter in this journey. And I want you all to be there to be part of it. So on that note, thank you. And have a blessed day.